Hail in Bandera on this Easter Sunday. Ken's 5 viewers Ray and Tara Cowley sent us this video. Parts of Medina County getting hail the size of a tennis ball today. Other parts seeing pea to quarter size hail. Right now, taking a live look outside on the northwest side, seeing some drizzle here, but nothing like the conditions we're seeing a little further west. For the next couple of hours, we're keeping an eye on strong to severe storms in the area. It looks like the strongest rains, though, we're seeing just west of San Antonio. Meteorologist Ryan Choptaw is here with the latest.
Yeah, Alicia. Now, right now, it looks like it's just some good, much needed rainfall. And considering we're in drought, that's not that bad. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has placed us in a slight risk for severe weather for the next couple hours here in San Antonio. Marginal risk farther south. But right now, the radar, there's only one severe storm warning out there, and it's to the west near Medina County. Now you can see the pink shades across the viewing area from Bexar County to Uvalde to Kerr County and Kendall County. We are all under a severe thunderstorm watch, meaning the storms that develop this evening are capable of large hail, some rotation and strong straight line winds. But you notice on that last frame, that warning that was in effect for the last hour has now expired. The Weather Service looked at the storm on the southwestern side of San Antonio and just noticed it's just right now heavy rainfall along I-90 right now east of Castroville and on the southwestern portions of, let's say, 1604, 410. Basically between 151 and 90 in Marbach, that's where the pocket of rain is now moving closer to Von Army and Somerset on this Sunday night. Zooming in, you can see heavier rain right on 90 and southwest of Wolf Stadium and Valley High. And again, this is non-severe at this hour. The severe storm warning has expired. Another pocket and cell of rainfall is stretching from, let's say, Hondo to Sabinal and northeastern portions of Uvalde County, and that one is non-severe as well. Now, we've kept a close eye on velocity. So far, so good. There is no rotation out there with any of these cells, but Hail Tracker has been a big story this afternoon as we were monitoring some pea to quarter size hail near Uvalde and also near, let's say, northwestern portions of, let's say, Medina County and Kerr County. Now you can see Hail Tracker, it is non-existent. Out to the west, though, north of Sabinal near Utopia, northeast of Uvalde, a pocket of very small hail, pea to nickel size at best. But once again, to reiterate, this is just some strong, much needed rainfall, mainly on the western half of our viewing area. You can see portions of San Antonio, north side, very quiet now, but now the heaviest rain is moving towards the south side near Von Army, Somerset, and near Lytle in the next half hour. The San Antonio forecast, lower to middle 80s. Storms through about 6:30 p.m. and then really tapers down by about sunset, partly cloudy through the evening hours and with an east wind at about 5 to 10. Now we'll chat more about the chance at rain. Another look at radar coming up in the next half hour. Alicia.